We have found that when paying bills, it's probably not best to divide the responsibilities. Although we're both involved in deciding about things, I happen to be the point person. I happen to be the one in charge of writing the checks. That doesn't mean that we don't discuss things as we talked about earlier. What it means is that we don't have to worry about who wrote the check for this, who's going to pay this certain bill. I pay them all.
That way things don't fall through the cracks. When we have tried it different ways, and this is just what seems to work best for us, and we've talked to lots of our clients and colleagues, and it seems to work best. Now, one of the things that we have seen people do that works well is one person be in charge of the nitty-gritty, the bill paying, the moving the money, depositing the money, that kind of thing, and one person maybe putting it in an accounting program, a Quicken or something like that. And then that way both people are seeing all the transactions, seeing the detail, and one's not dependent on the other, and both people can be involved. But we both feel very strongly that one person ought to be in charge of just making sure that the day-to-day stuff gets done so something doesn't fall through the cracks. That person can change from time to time,
Right,
as long as one person, the one in charge at least knows they're in charge for that month.